Hello everybody, the Cap County Severe Weather Team with a weather update at 6:37 p.m. on Wednesday, September 18th already. My, time has flown. Now let's take a look at tonight's forecast. Looks like it's going to be a low of around 62 degrees. Could be some patchy fog in the morning. Overall, pretty nice night out. Low of around 62 for Fort Payne, 66 in Huntsville, 64 Coleman, 64 Stevenson, 64 Russellville, and 65 in Florence. Now let's move on and take a look at tomorrow's forecast. To be high of 83 degrees. Could be a few clouds out there. Overall sunny skies though. Highs 83 degrees in Fort Payne, 87 Stevenson, 89 Huntsville, 85 Coleman, 86 Russellville, and 88 Florence. Warmer along I-65 and west. Slightly cooler east of I-65 over in our area. Forecast outlook, of course, extended outlook rather, calling for. That was today. Newest graphic hadn't come out yet, but this is what we got. Thursday, sunny skies, highs 85 to 89, lows 61 to 65. For your Friday, sunny skies, highs 88 to 92, a little bit warmer, lows 61 to 66. Saturday, a little bit warmer as well, pretty warm, highs 89 to 92, lows 63 to 67, sunny skies. Sunday, Sunday, sunny skies, highs 87 to 91, and lows 64 to 68. Now let's move on and take a look at our temperature outlooks here. This is valid Tuesday the 24th to Saturday the 28th. Showing above average temperatures for the area, but not extremely above average, but just a little bit above average expected through that time period. So it is going to be just a little bit warm. Models still showing signs of a cool off. Now I am still expecting these to change and turn blue. Instead of the above average, I'm expecting it to go below average between this time period, between the 26th and the 2nd. But right now, we've trended down a bit from the earlier models, but it's still showing slightly above average temperatures between Thursday the 26th to Wednesday the 2nd. I do expect this to trend down as we get a pretty strong cold front into the area. There's a possibility of it anyway. We'll take a look at that in a minute. Let's look at the rainfall, though. Rainfall is expected to return. Above average chances between Tuesday the 24th to Saturday the 28th. Fingers crossed on that. Hoping that does happen. Looking at the 8 through 14 day precipitation outlook moving forward. Thursday the 26th to Wednesday the 2nd of October. Above average as well. So I'll take that. Let's hope that it hangs on. We definitely need it. Now, let's take a look. We was discussing a cool front. So let's look at the GFS. Again, this is not set in stone. Don't really know how intense it's going to be until it gets a little bit closer to the outlook period. As we go into next week, a lot better idea with that. But models, you're looking at the dew point here. This is not temperatures. That is a dew point. Dropping down there pretty low. As you can see where that cool front is at. I mean, it's not hard to tell. Don't really pay much mind to the circle there with the low pressure because models are all over the place with that tropical system. So we'll discuss that here in just a moment as well. But there is the potential for some cooler air moving in. How cold or how cool, don't know yet. But we do know that there is a cool front on the way between that time period there. I believe that's going to be closer to the 27th to the 1st or 2nd of October. Now, tropical system, let's leave this for last, okay? So we're at the last here. GFS, showing it kind of going up into Mississippi. There's our cold front. You can see it just bam, knocks it out of the way. We don't have any idea at this time what it's going to do. The development-wise, where it's going to go, if it's going to impact us at all, don't really know. These are just guidance, which is kind of laughable at this time. So, don't take this. Take this with a grain of salt at this time, but because we don't know which way the thing's going to go. Even if it's going to develop, which we do know it's going to develop. Just not sure where it's going to impact. Not sure of any of that. Totals, rainfall totals, nothing. Don't have any idea. So all I can say is we're watching the potential development of a tropical system off the Gulf. We don't know which way it's going to go. Even though these models are showing it moving through Mississippi, this is the GFS, so we don't know yet. Again, as soon as we get more information in about it, we'll let you know, but there is chances of rainfall, so that is good, as well with this cooler air mass coming in. So be ready for that. We'll update you as soon as some more information comes in, but that is all for tonight. It is currently 6:42 p.m. on Wednesday, the 18th of September, and it's 77 degrees outside the station. Winds are out of the east-southeast at 1 miles per hour. Be safe. Take care. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, everybody.